In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Huntington Bank online banking. We'll walk through the process on a computer and on mobile, and I'll share a few simple security tips so you can sign in confidently every time. Let's start on a desktop or laptop. Open your browser and go directly to the official website by typing huntington.com into the address bar. This is the safest way to reach the login page rather than clicking links from emails or messages. When the home page loads, look to the top right corner for the login button. Click it to bring up the sign-in options. Before you enter anything, choose the type of account you're accessing. You'll see options for personal, business, or commercial. Pick the one that matches the account you have so you're routed to the correct portal. Now enter your username and password in the fields provided, then select Login. If the bank has additional security enabled on your account, you may be prompted to answer a security question or enter a verification code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you're verified, you'll land on your account dashboard, where you can view balances, recent transactions, and other banking tools. If you prefer using your phone or tablet, download the official Huntington mobile app from your device's app store. On iPhone or iPad, find it in the App Store under Huntington Mobile. On Android, get it from Google Play with the same name. After installation, open the app and tap Login on the welcome screen. Type your username and password just as you would on the website. Depending on your settings, the app may ask you to authenticate with a code sent to your phone or email. Complete that verification to proceed. For quicker access in the future, you can enable biometric sign-in, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or a fingerprint login if your device supports it and you're comfortable using those features. A few quick security reminders to keep your information safe. Always navigate directly to huntington.com rather than using links in suspicious emails. In your browser, confirm you see HTTPS in the address and a padlock icon before you sign in. Make it a habit to log out after each session, especially on shared or public devices. And if you ever forget your sign-in details, use the forgot username or password link on the login page to securely recover your access. That's it. Follow these steps on desktop or mobile, complete any verification prompts, and you'll be signed in and ready to manage your accounts.